Good morning. My name is Stephen Taylor Heath. I'm a partner, head of regulatory at JMW Solicitors in Manchester. I have about 30 years' experience in sports law matters. I've worked in-house for football clubs such as Leeds United, boxing promoters such as Queensberry, Frank Warren, and football agents. And I gave this talk last year on sports law developments. So this is an update on events that have happened in the last 12 months and potentially matters to come in the near future. So the matters that we're going to cover are the current status of the FIFA football agent regulations, the FA football agent regulations, the Diarra case, lessons re sporting governance from the Diarra case and the Manchester City connected transaction actions and other recent matters, challenges to sporting governing bodies, the independent regulator, retrospective challenges to sporting results, eligibility policies and governance in women's sports, name, image and likeness contracts, and the NCAA developments in relation to US and overseas college athletes, the Tiger Woods Sunday Red and Puma intellectual property case, and developments arising from the fast-moving world of AI and data. So the FIFA football agent regulations, just by way of recap, and I covered this last year, FIFA introduced the football agent regulations. They were intended to come into force last year, the end of 2023/2024. FIFA ended up suspending the implementation of those regulations due to various actions being brought. One action was brought in relation to the FA implementation of the football agent regulations, and the FA proceeded to publish the new football agent regulations, intermediary regulations rather, in January of last year. Those regulations contain certain regulations that are in force and some that are greyed out, which are basically on hold on the basis that they will be implemented if the FIFA football agent regulations are brought in. There was a challenge in Germany, which is one of the catalysts of FIFA suspending their regulations. The Austrian FA and the German FA have now brought in new regulations, but they do not include the suspended aspects, such as issues in relation to service fee cap, double representation, prohibition, etc.